In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add email signature in Yahoo Mail. First, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar at the top, type yahoo.com and press enter. When the Yahoo homepage loads, look toward the upper right corner and locate the sign in option. Click it to begin. If you see an option to continue with your existing Yahoo Mail account, choose that. Otherwise, enter your account details when prompted. Follow the on-screen steps to proceed and give it a moment while Yahoo signs you in. You may be asked for a quick confirmation such as a code or prompt. Just continue with what appears and wait until the sign-in completes. After you're signed in, you'll land back on Yahoo. In the upper right, find Mail and click it to open Yahoo Mail. Once your inbox appears, go to the top right corner and select the Settings gear icon. A small panel will open. At the bottom of that panel, click More Settings to open the full settings page. On the left sidebar, choose Writing Email. This section controls how your messages are composed. Here, look for the signature setting. You'll see a switch to activate the signature. Turn it on to enable signatures for your outgoing emails. With the signature feature on, a text box appears. Click inside that box and paste your prepared signature. If you've already written it somewhere else, pasting makes sure formatting stays consistent. Keep your signature clear and professional. Think of it as a short sign-off that can include your name, role, organization, and relevant contact details. Avoid adding anything sensitive and keep images small if you use them to prevent clutter. Yahoo typically saves changes automatically, so you don't need to hunt for a save button. A few quick tips while you're here. Keep line spacing simple so your signature looks clean on both desktop and mobile. If you're copying from a formatted document, double-check the spacing and font after pasting. You can also keep links concise so they're easy to read. If you notice your signature looks too large, reduce the font size slightly inside the box so it matches your email's default style. That's it. You opened Yahoo, signed in, went to Mail, opened Settings, navigated to More Settings, selected Writing Email, turned signatures on, and pasted your signature. From now on, Yahoo Mail will add it to your messages automatically when you compose. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you create a polished sign-off every time you email.